Hey, and welcome to the training for the 47 App Street PWA. I'm going to show you how important it is or how easy it is to install PWA. If you want to know more about it, you can click on the image right here or wherever that we are. So I'm going to log into my App Street, 47 App Street account. I'm going to click on the app builder. It's going to bring me right in here. As you can see, I was excited to have this all up and running, so I put a nice big banner. You can click on this if you want to add it to your account. So here's the 47 App Street app. When you build apps, you cannot have a number in the front, so you can't have 47, so that's why it just says App Street. I'm going to click on Manage. So if I go into publication, this is not where you do it, but go into publication, I have, this one's all set up so I can, I've created my APK, I've downloaded it. This one is actually up on the Google Play Store. It's not on the Apple Store, just because I don't have an Apple account. So that's why we have PWA, for anybody who doesn't have an Apple account. So I'm going to go, or if you don't have an Android account, you can use this too. So I'm going to go to Modules and do PWA Creator. You're going to see this, but yours is going to come up and it's not going to have this activation button. You have to have an PWA activated on your account. You can either do it per app or you can do it for your entire thing. I'm going to click on Activate PWA. This is what it's going to be, the short name. Everything's filled out here for you. You can change anything that you want. You can change the splat background, anything you want to do. I'm going to turn on Enable Push Notifications and then hit Next. So this is for the iPhone. When people install it on their iPhones, this is what it's going to look like. I like to, this is just a basic. You can actually change the words here. And I'll change it for you. You can change the text color, the background color, and everything like that. So I like adding all these here, so it adds an icon so people will see what you're going to be installing. The short name, so they know what they're installing. The overlay, so it overlays the phone, so this is basically highlighted. And you can leave it like this here, or you can click on the pop-up in the center. I'm going to actually take this off for the Apple, so it's going to point to this right down here. I'm going to hit Next. This is the Facebook PWA pop-up. So if you're on Facebook, if you send a link on Facebook and people install it from Facebook itself, Facebook will know that it's a PWA. You can, again, change all this here. I'm going to add the icon, short name. I can do the overlay so it highlights this basically. Hit Save. And then I want to enable the push sender page so I can push notifications. So it doesn't matter if it's on an iPhone, an Android phone, or on a web browser. So people can install this on their computer as well. And then you can send push notifications directly to them. I'm going to hit Choose File. Let's go back to here. And what do I want? Let's go find something different. What do I want to show as an icon? So this is going to be the icon that goes on the phone or your desktop or anything like that. So that's the hard part. Actually, this is the hardest part here, is to push this button. Once you push that, it's done. You just built PWA so people can install it on their phone. So you can either take this one here, you can post that in Facebook, you can create a short link. So if you use like bit.ly or anything like that, you can create a bit.ly Or if you want, you can just take this image here. You can save this image. Just download it. So you have that, so you can put it any way you want. So what you're going to do is with your phone, is you can open up the camera. If this doesn't work, you have to have the QR reader on your phone. But the newer phones, the updated and everything like that, just open up your camera that you're taking a picture with, selfie or anything like that. Point the camera right at it. It's going to come up with a little box that says web page. Tap here to go to blah 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 in your browser. So then click on it. You don't see it, but that's pretty good. You can try it yourself. So once you do that, it goes through and it brings up your app. It's also going to go and tell you. I'm going to copy that. Let me actually bring it up. So this is the link directly to the app. So this is the app right inside my browser itself. So I can go and click on anything here. Click on weather. Everything shows. Hit the back button. And just like your phone, you can actually click and drag left and right. There's some games in here. It's pretty fun. I'm going to go advanced. I know you don't want to watch me play a video game, but I just want to show you that everything that works in here. Get that. No, stop. Move it. Let's see. So you see, I'm going to click on play real quick. And oops, no. That's it. Your app is now on. You can have it on Android, Apple phones, and desktops. So that's how easy it is to create a PWA and how to install it anyway. You can at any time edit the PWA details, go in here, change anything that you want in here. Just if you want to install it different, then you can go back and then you can regenerate. Now if you want to send a push notification to these people, just hit modules, and then you're going to have the PWA push sender. Just go in here. I can, if I want to send them someplace, and then I hit send. And that's all you have to do. As you can see, I didn't push it to anybody because nobody has it installed. So once you have that, you have all these you can click on to see what you pushed. So that's what I hit push to them. If you click URL, you click on here, it's going to bring you to exactly where you sent them. And then if you want to delete this, if you have a ton of them in here and you don't want it down here anymore, See the ID. This one's ID 1. Go up here and put 1 and put delete. And it's gonna delete it out of there. So that's how easy PWA is. Go ahead and let's build some PWA. I want to see what it is. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.